Today we got the Samsung Galaxy A13 and this device check your USB. So seems liquid got damaged the charging subboard. Let's remove the SIM card tray first. In this device we are going to detach the frame from the housing. You can use any plastic piece or you can use your fingernails. It's easy to remove the back housing. Alright, detach it from all over the frame. Somehow it's hard to peel. I used my chest because I needed some force. I don't need the phone to drop down. Alright, you have to be careful because we have fingerprint flex cable stuck at the back. Alright, always see my instructions before you try. Alright, now you can remove the fingerprint flex cable. I'm going now to remove the loudspeaker shield at the bottom. Alright, this is the first I'm going to do. Remove the screws. There's 6 screws down there, 7 screws down there. Alright, this model seems that there is a triangle that the phone is not charging. I'm going to mention this is A135. This phone called A135F, and there is a same model called 137F. So there is 2 models. Alright, remove these antenna cables. Alright, now we can peel the subboard. It got damaged somehow. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm going first to remove and replace the charging port. Sometimes it could be the charging port causing this problem. But in this case, or if you have the subboard, you can just put it down. Alright, the more important information is to check your model's number. This is very important. I was having a subboard 135F and the phone number is 137F. And when I put the subboard, I got the same problem. So I thought we have an issue with the main board. So I was trying to see what was causing this problem, and I start diagnostic the main board and I didn't find anything. So I called the local distribution to get some parts, and I asked him if there is any problem when we put 135 and 137. If we mix them, he told me you will have a triangle, and that triangle will stop charging and the phone heating, so the phone will shut down or stop working. So I tried first replace the charging port. I didn't even used my micro lenses. This is the main camera I use. I have a micro lens or microscopic lens when I doing micro soldering. You can consider subscribing. Alright, this is Amtech flux. You can use both soldering iron with the heating gun. I'm putting the heating gun at 400 Celsius with the soldering iron. There is some adhesive at the pads with the pins, so you have to be careful not to damage the pads when you remove it. This is important. Alright, the charging port has been removed. Now we must also remove the adhesive. It's important to remove both of them. And we are going to mix the soldering with low soldering melt. You can see the adhesive. It's in the soldering iron. Put more flux. Alright, let's now clean it with the alcohol. Isopropyl 99%. It's important to get that alcohol. You can see how it's removed and it's very clean. Now let's find the same charging port and let's put it down. There is 2 to 3 ways how to put that charging port in place. You can use 3 ways. Today I'm going to use this way. I'm also going to mention that I put some solder to the pins into that USB port, USB Type-C port, USB-C. So it will help to make it good and in place, and all pads will be connected easily. I'm pressing it down because I need the pins to touch the pads good. Alright, you can see my videos, my shorts video, how to make this job. It should be video there. You can see how this job could be done more efficient video. It will be better for view. Now let's clean it and then we are going to try. When I put that subboard again, I got the same problem or a different something. When I put the new one, it told me that the phone is heating up. Now we will see it together. Alright, you can see the red sticker at the bottom. That means liquid got inside and damaged that subboard. Alright, this models you can see where is the antenna red cable. You can see A137F. This is the model I'm working with. And on my bench, I was having 135 subboard. I didn't put everything in this video because I was testing, wondering why the phone didn't work. And also I didn't capture everything in this video. So I am only going just to say it to you. And this is 100% working and nothing to lie for. It worked, but I didn't capture everything on the camera. I'm sorry, but I should next time putting everything. Alright, everything is down there. I showed that the job has been done after replacing this USB-C, but unfortunately it didn't solve the problem we have. So before this video ends, it's gonna be end soon, I'm going to mention again, you have to replace the subboard with the same model number. You can check the subboard itself that the model is written there, or you can see the main board also the model number written there. the model number of the subboard written at the right area near the audio jack or the antenna of the red cable, and on the main board it's written near the camera at the left side. Alright, now the charging port. The phone has stopped charging, temperature is too high. So we didn't solve this problem because we have a problem with the subboard. So I replace it and it's working. Don't forget, there is two model numbers, 35 and 37. Be careful, replace that, and the phone should be work 100%. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.